So guys, for the first step, you want to go into your BIOS. To do that, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. Once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Wait for this to load, which will then take us to here. Now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings. And then click on restart. It's now going to take us into our BIOS. And now once we're in our BIOS, you want to find the boot manager. We're all using different motherboards, so our BIOS might look different, but in your case, you want to find boot manager. You might need to go to like the Windows boot tab, so there might be like a tab on the top which will say boot, or I might be saying boot manager, something along those lines. Now once you find the Windows boot manager, or just the boot tab, it should be showing all of your drives right here. Your boot drive is going to be the one on the top. So make sure that you have your correct boot drive selected. You either need to drag it to the top, or you just want to select it, and it will then become your boot drive. You most likely have to move it to the top, above all the other drives on your computer. Once you do that, you want to save your settings, go back into Windows, and then that's how you do it.